be careful. Now express you they go. Egungun be careful. Now express you they go. Ah, motor go jam you. It don't happen. I don't tell him. It don't. Ah, motor don't jam. Hey, you start getting the trend now. Egungun be careful. One time, what's popping my people? It's your boy Crazy, all the way from GStube TV. You know how we do it. This is Report Store. The show is Report Store. Report Store is the show. You know, on this platform, I give you gossips. You know, gist. Akroko, all the way from music, entertainment, Nollywood, Hollywood, politics, education, music, anything, you know, even health. It dey grand, the full grand gidigba. You sabi now, you sabi your boy Crazy, all the way from GStube TV. Well, if you are just tuning in, be careful. Now express you dey go. Yeah, this is not express. This is GStube TV. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, do well to click on the notification button to get notified when we drop new videos, and of course, do well to subscribe. Come on, it's not, just click on the subscribe button. We're not charging $5, $1 or anything. It's free. Come on, it's absolutely free. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you can click on it. You'll be correct person. And for your advert placement, you know, and all sorts of things you want to publicize, and you know, come on, we are able on social media platforms at Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, at GStube TV. Once again, I'm your baddest TV host for today on Report Store. I am a Crazy once again. Yeah, you sabi what's in the trend now. Hey, go big here. Now expensive day. Now expensive day go one time. If you go do anyhow, last summer to go jam you. This song, obviously you don't sing. I'm like 15, 17, 20 years ago. But now the song is trending. People on social media are like, Obesere, which kind of babalawo you go visit? Which kind of babalawo, which kind of abalis, which kind of voodoo you do, which kind of soap you bath? People don't they talk, say, Obesere, we know, where people know they talk about anymore. Even for Fuji, when they sing self, people be like, when you see the voodoo, on Twitter, on Instagram, people don't they talk, say, this guy don't use gas. He don't use gas. And what actually happened, you know what actually happened? If you watch Obesere, if you actually do watch Obesere, you know, he has a way of, you know, of giving out his grammars. But we are not going to that today. Well, early this year, Lagos State banned bike, you know, Okada, OP, you know, anything that is not actually a car or a vehicle or taxify, Uber, you know, they are not moving on Lagos soil. But then, that moment, people actually brought out their horses and all sorts of, you know, means of transportation. And people are like, be careful, now express you they go. Just that, the song started trending. Hey! And people are like, hey, go, be careful. At that moment too, a soldier, there was a video that came out around December 2019 of a soldier actually beating a masquerade. You know, all those things just came out all at the same time. Then the song started trending, you know, to the extent that Zlatan had to call the legendary Fuji musician. Basically, you know, to have a collabo. They've cooked up the song already. They are dropping it very soon.
Question. FOMC. For Black Maria, Ija, Kiloshe, Talamala Mashe, Watadamo, Wanilogo, Watadamo, Wanilogo, Niwa, that's Degeti. Malodore, Gaeji, Das, Kaputa, Blasache, Jumaga.
You don't know? Ha! You are. That's why. Well, I got you. If you are missing out, check Instagram, check Zlatan's page. You know, check Tunde Ednord's Insta blog. You know, you already know what time it is now. If you are not checking those pages, then you know I got you on Report Store. Come on, yeah. They cooked up the song and is already banging in the studio. They are, don't worry, just sit, relax. They will drop the song very soon. You know, but before Zlatan is actually going to drop his own song, you know, come on, Skibby, never to be caught on fresh. He did his own with Obesere. Oh my goodness. Go be careful. Now, go and download the song. The song is, oh my goodness, it's hot. It's a banger. It's trending. It's hot. Even on Billboard, the song is trending. It's trending. Come on, check out the song. The song is dope. Come on. You know, even Obesere was like, he made a remark in an interview. He said, God said he's going to bring him to the spotlight from one generation to the other. But let us leave that aside. Aside from the fact that it started trending about 2-3 weeks ago, aside from that, as he trended for the past 3, 5, 7 years, 10 years, you are not bringing God to the scenario. Well, I'm not disputing the fact that God actually told him anything or not. Well, that is none of my business. That is none of my concern. But hey, go be careful. Now express you they go. Go and check out the song. Go and check. Talking about the songs and as a Malian, Naira Marley, the president of the Malians, he came out in a blockbuster way. In a real way. You know how actually happened. He even made a remark that Malians don't have shame. Why? Now he went to Dubai, to chillax, to have fun, to flex. With one girl like that, or one of these commercial sex workers. After they had a good time, then the girl brought out her phone, started making Snapchat, doing video of, having a good time with Naira Marley. When Naira Marley was on bed. But then, when Naira Marley came out and when he saw the video on social media, it was like, you cannot shame a shameless man, a shameless person. Then people started asking questions like, Naira Marley, do you mean Malians don't have shame? If Malians don't have shame, that means Bobrisky is actually a Malian because she's don't let me use the word she. Because he always claims that he doesn't have shame. If you want to buy a dosage of shameless drugs, he sells, patronize him. I'm talking about Bobrisky before we go back to Naira Marley. He got arrested a few days ago. Yeah, he got arrested. Due to a deal gone wrong between Bobrisky and a so-called businesswoman, Mrs. Rosemary. The issue of eyelashes, 7 million missing, customer money, and blah blah blah. I think he's actually out of the custody of the Nigerian police force. And he's currently on social media making rants and boasting again that he's back and stronger. Haters, losers cannot bring him down. Blah blah blah. Let's put Bobrisky aside. Talking about Naira Marley, we already know that Zlatan has a girlfriend. Even though right now we cannot ascertain the fact that they are still dating or not. Side love. You can check out Instagram. She's quite popular and she's very rich. Yeah. Owing to the fact that her dad is a multi-millionaire, if not a billionaire to be exact. Now, on her birthday, Naira Marley took to Instagram to wish her happy birthday. And after that, Naira Marley bought her a brand new ride. Come on. You think I'm joking? No, Naira Marley, do you think Naira Marley doesn't have money? Because of the way he looks and he doesn't actually, loud things. Naira Marley is Baba confirm person, they go come. Talking about Naira Marley, having money, having wealth, even came out with a banging grills, a banging eyes. What? Don't let me tell you the amount. What millions? The guy that Naira Marley purchased these grills from, he was like, Okpo, Naira Marley, when you sent this money actually shook my hazard. When they send money to your account, your account might actually freeze because it's more than what your account might take. And the funniest thing is, Naira Marley actually didn't take to his Instagram page to start making mouth and shouting that I got a brand new house. This is the one in town. No. He's not the type. He's not the type. And talking about Naira Marley also, he's one of the Nigerian musicians that actually has the highest grills when we are talking about diamonds, jewelries, eyes. After Davido. I think we are going to choose Naira Marley because I don't really think we are going to actually choose Burna Boy. You know, Burna Boy, if we are to actually check Burna Boy's jewelries, they are still, you know, nothing compared to Naira Marley's own, even though Naira Marley doesn't actually flaunt what he has, you know, what he has. Congratulations to Naira Marley on that. And Bobrisky, congratulations to you because we are out of we are out of let me say a short vacation to the prison. I won't say prison because, you know, congratulations to you. Well, at this junction, I dropped the curtain for today. I am Akrizi from GStube TV. This is Report Store. Be careful. Hey, go, be careful. Now, express they go. If you are just tuning in, do well to click on the notification button to get notified when we release new videos. And of course, do well to subscribe. You know, it costs nothing. You get on all social media platforms. Do well to follow us at GStube TV. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, on YouTube. Do well to follow us at GStube TV. I am your humble host once again from GStube TV. I'm Akrizi. On all social media platforms, do well to follow me at He is Akrizi. Till next time we meet, hey, go, be careful.